If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Apex Legends, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce lag and enhance your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. You can also run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings to lower graphics quality. Reducing settings such as texture quality, shadow detail, and resolution can help improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use bandwidth or CPU resources can contribute to lag, so make sure to free up system resources. Step 4. Update drivers and game. Ensure that your graphics card drivers and the game itself are up to date. Developers often release patches and updates that can improve performance and fix bugs that may cause lag. Step 5. Adjust network settings. Consider changing your router settings to prioritize gaming traffic. Enable quality of service OS settings if available, and ensure that your router firmware is updated to the latest version. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gameplay experience and a reduction in lag spikes. Enjoy your time in Apex Legends.